Mithu? Oh, Mithu. Now tell me, why did you steal his food? It is behind you. Guys, hope you can see him. Stop. Dude. You don't know? You don't understand what I'm saying. And my name is... stop. I will tell your name later. Your name, I mean. Where are you going? Oh, just the same spot. What's going on? Oh, sorry about that, but it wasn't me. What's wrong? Nothing's wrong with the regular. Well, be careful. Make sure don't hurt yourself. Oh, what scared me? That just scared me. What are you looking at? At the birds? You wanna go to the birds' place? No, you might hurt them. And they're babies. Do you know what I mean? You say sorry? Okay. Well, guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And turn on the bell so you don't miss any more videos.